Your disco grooves aren't disco-y enough. And I'm about to tell you why. Yes, I'm talking to you. You specifically, even if you don't play drums. I'm talking to you. If you're doing this, or even this, or even this. Yes, you're technically correct, but you're also boring. Do you want to know why? Because you aren't putting open hi-hats on the offbeat. What do I mean by the offbeat? The ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Gotta open that hi-hat, B. You gotta open yourself up to life opportunities, to things, to grooves, to new experiences. I don't know what kind of tangent I'm going on. I'm gonna play the thing now. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Add a 4 to the floor. If you don't know what a 4 to the floor is, check out the video in this playlist because I've already done one. 1, 2, 3. Do you see what I mean? Instant disco, instant groove, instant loveliness. Highly suggest you learn how to play it. Thus, I'm going to tell you how to do it. The best part about this is it's very easy in the feet because all you're doing is exactly the same thing. So both feet are going to be coming down on 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just play eighth notes on the hi-hat. It might not be very tidy at first, but what you want is a nice tss, tss on the offbeat, so the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Try and get that to a reasonable speed. You know what? One day these electric hi-hats will sound good, but right now it does not. And lastly, guess what we're going to do? Add the backbeat. And then you're done. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Have fun playing all the disco tunes, now substantially better than you were playing them before. You're welcome.